My name is Barb Hush. I'm the Forestville librarian at the Door County Library System, and my branch library, is located in Forestville, Wisconsin. And what I would like to show you today is a science experiment using citrus fruit. And this is part of our Fizz or Float program out here at the Forestville Library. And we're trying to do one of these every month, one of these science experiments, just to have something different for your kids in the summer. So let's start. The first thing I want to show you is the citrus fruit that I have arranged here. And I've already cut off the ends of the lime, the end on both ends of the lemon, and the ends of the orange. So I have the fruit like this. Now I'm going to move my recording device down so you can watch what I do next. So here we go. And I'm going to take the fruit and I'm going to dig out the pulp like this and make it nice and juicy, because that's what we need. And please make sure that when you do this experiment, you have a parent with you. A parent, an older adult, an older sibling, somebody who can use a knife safely. It is not for children to be using a knife for this. All right, so, but they will love to watch the result of this. Also, it is probably the best smelling experiment you will ever do. It smells wonderful. So here we go. Now let's do the lime. And again, really, you want to really get in there and get it so it's nice and juicy. The juicier it is, the better your volcano, your citrus volcano will turn out. So there we go. So they're all nice and juicy. The next step is I'm going to take baking soda and put some in each. Actually, I'm going to do the food coloring first. I think that's best. Here's the food coloring. I'm going to put red and green and blue, I think. Let's use some blue. I'm going to use blue on the lime, like so. And I'm going to put some red here on the orange. And let's put some green on the lemon. So here's our lemon. I'm going to put green on the lemon. All right. The next step I'm going to do is, now they all look so pretty. Let me see if I can show you what they look like. Now what I'm going to do is add baking soda to each of our fruits. And here we go. Baking soda, and more baking soda. Some on each of the fruits. And then I'm going to take a toothpick and do some poking here. And there you see it starting. See it erupting? And that is the reaction to the citrus and the baking soda. The food color just makes it look pretty. Look at that. Ah, it's going crazy. We love it. Very pretty. Very nice. Now let's poke the orange next and see what happens when we do the same thing with our orange. Does it get fizzy too? Not quite as much as the lemon. Maybe there's not as much juice in this orange, not as much citrus. We're not having as good of a volcano, are we? No, a little bit, but not quite like the lemon. Now let's try the lime next. Let's see what happens when we do the same thing to the lime. Let's see. Poke, poke, poke. Let's see what happens. Oh, and it's starting to fizz. It's a beautiful fizz. Yes. The lime and the lemon win. It seems like they have more juice, more reaction to the baking soda and the citrus than the orange. So there you are. There's all our fruits. And that was our citrus volcano. And I hope you enjoyed it. It turned out really pretty. And it was fun. And it smelled great. So happy experimenting. Happy summer. Keep tuned in for our other virtual programs. We do story times and crafts. And of course, our Fizz and Float. Thank you. Happy summer. Bye.
The light is shining through the window, so bright, it's hopeful and it's